This is a testing card for UV light and temperature. And it's designed specifically for kind of terrarium type geckos and lizards and things that you put a UV baking light on for them to heat them up. And on the back here we have a temperature gauge as well. And it does say that it can only be used, or can be used up to 500 times when used in 10-second increments. When not in use, please put the card sleeve or put it back and store it in the sleeve in a dark place. So apparently the UV light detectors here are a chemical thing that can kind of run out over time. So right now it says that we're somewhere between 75 and 79 in the temperature range, and that sounds about right to me. Let's take this guy outside and see what these guys do. Alright, this is what it looks like inside. And we are out in the sun. And you can see the entire gecko changes color. It's, I would say, halfway between medium and high. It is a partially overcast day out here. We go back inside, the gecko is still color changed. We'll see how long it takes to fade back. I believe it's fading slowly, just kind of as we're watching it here. So it doesn't look like it takes too long to react. Yeah, it's already less than the low color right now. Taking it outside now, it's kind of at that 82 range, but it's moving down towards the 79 range. I have here a 365 nanometer UV flashlight, and you can see the AUAAQ change there, and it changed purple very quickly. So yeah, it detects UV light, tells you the temperature, nice little testing card.